6 years ago, I started a close romance with Ladino music. A song I rediscovered on the streets of Morocco was haunting my dreams and turned out to be a song my grandmother sang to me when I was a child. This strong experience led me to play traditional Ladino songs live on stage for 2 years, but I felt that something was missing. I'm a singer-songwriter, and my true passion is for writing songs. I realized I needed to start composing in Ladino as well. Luckily, the Amsterdam ROOTS Festival joined my cause and commissioned me to write an original Ladino program. I called it KE HABER, which means what is new. We had an amazing premiere at the BIMHUIS, and it was also sold out, which proved to me that there is an audience out there for this almost forgotten language. I was even more lucky when Sena chose to grant me a music production award that enabled me to record the world's first original songs Ladino album. And it is now being mixed in London. And this is where you come in. By buying the album in advance, you can help us finance the cost of mastering, manufacture CDs and LPs, PR, and even make 2 new videos. My aim is to connect my grandmother's forgotten heritage with our modern lives today, so my new songs deal with identity, gender, migration, and even homoerotic poetry written by rabbis. Donate today and help us make this ancient language come alive again. Let's discover together the true meaning of KE HABER, what is new in Ladino. Gracias, thank you, dankjewel, toda.